Hi guys, this is a short tutorial for you, for basically home users, businesses and schools, how to use our current text editor, which has a great feature in it for importing documents and converting like PDFs or JPEGs or PNGs. Okay, so first of all, of course, you have registered as a home user. We have the text editor limited version for free. Or you can purchase it for like €5.99 a year. Please finish registration and you'll get, of course, the email with your credentials. I've shown you that sometimes, some couple of times in the other videos. So you log in to the backend and you will see on the left bar again online editor, or scroll down and you'll see it as well. Just click on it and you will go to the file immediately. You can type here some text and you can select the color of the font. You can select a background color. For children, let's say below 7, we have a different A and Q available. That's the one, oh, that's the first letter you can see. Sorry, which is basically a letter they recognize. And for adults, we have the other one available. That's the A, the other one. So there's a few options. You can, of course, start a new document, but you can as well import a Word document. If you have the font files, you can just edit the Word document in Word itself, but this allows you as well to change or to upload a Word document. PDF, text files, or text from image. That's like a PNG or JPEG. So I'll start with the PDF. Select your language the text is being in, and you import it. It may take just a second depending on the size of your file, but this one goes pretty quick. You select import and there it is, right? So you can do some adjustments so it's better readable. It's just we really rip out the text for you, so you don't have to do that. Then there are some options like save. We always save it for you to a PDF document, and the reason is that basically it will be in the font of your Dyslexie font, and you can send it as well to friends or colleagues, and it will be in the font rather than if you have it in a Word. That's not going to work unless they have the font files as well installed on their computer. Oh, sorry, I go back. You can of course print it, then we make a PDF of it as well, and save these settings as your preferences. So that's it basically. One last thing. We figured out that there's an interference with our program and a real nice Grammarly program. So if for some reasons the text is not, you cannot edit the text correctly, make sure that you put it out for a second. We're going to work on that bug, but for now that's just the case. Okay, and if you're finished with using the text editor, just close it. You go back to the backend and, well, you can of course go. So that's it for now. Hope it was clear, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.